Hey there and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to share with you my new Framer template, Ripple. Now, Ripple is a subscription agency Framer template, and you can use this template to create your own subscription agency website and start getting clients. So this is how the template looks like, and it's completely free. So you can simply go through the link in the description of this video, click a button and remix it in your Framer account and start making your changes. So let me quickly give you an overview of the template, and then also share with you how you can edit the template, change colors, etc. to make it your own and publish it live. And then also share with you a quick Framer discount that you can apply if you go with the yearly plan. So this is how the template looks like. In the hero section, we have some brand logos, some heading, buttons, and then on the right side, a quick little testimonial carousel. And then we have a quick overview of the work that you have done. You can easily replace these images with your own. Then we have a services section. You can easily edit it to add your own services, and then a lot more services that you can show here. And then we have a process section. You can show the process of your work here. And then we have a benefits section with a cool scroll effect. You can showcase benefits of working with you here. And then we have a work section, and in this section the main focus is the work images, so that the user can actually see the work, and then they can click on it and then they will see more detail about the specific work. As you can see, we have more detail on that specific work and then some related work as well. So let's go back to the home page here. And then we have the testimonial section with this cool pill-shaped images at the top. And when you change them, and it changes the content below as well. And then we have a load more testimonials button that will load more testimonials on click if you have a ton of testimonials. And then we have a pricing section. Now this is my favorite section, and it took some effort to make. So in this section, we have a quick little feature that you can have a add-on for the first plan here. So if the user clicks on this add button, it increases the price and then adds Framer development in the plan. So you can also remove it. And then in the canvas, you can easily change it with your own. You can make it Webflow development or anything else. And then we have FAQ section here, a CTA section and footer. And then finally, we have a contact page here, and this form is built using Framer Form Builder. And yeah, that's a quick overview of the template. You can check out the demo from the link in the description to see everything yourself. And then if you follow the first link in the description, you will get to this page where you will be able to remix the template and see all the features of this template. So yeah, simply click this button to remix it, and then you will be good to go. Okay, so once you have remixed the template, it will appear like this in your Framer account, and you can now start making your changes. So first off, you will have to replace a lot of the text on the website, and that's very easy. Simply double click on any text, and then you can easily edit it like this. And you can also change color of specific text by simply selecting it, and then on the right side change the color to whatever you want. And this is how it should look like. And as you can see, it's very easy, and the same goes for all these small text as well. You can easily change them. And you can also change any text from the right side panel as well. So simply select the text, and then over here, content, this is where you can change all the text as well very easily, like this. Okay, so next up, we have some sections where you won't be able to edit text simply by double clicking, since they're using components. For example, in the process section over here. Now, if you click on it, it's just a card component, and to change the content of it, you will have to select the card and then come to the right side, and this is where you will be able to change the content very easily, like that. And then you can also change the description and then badge text from here. So for example, this badge text, you can change it easily as well. So that should make things easier for you to make edits easily to your website and change most of the text on your website. Next up, we have some sections where you can simply edit the component to change the content. For example, the testimonial section here. So to edit the content, you will have to double click it to open up the component. And this is where you can start making your changes. For example, these pill images at the top, simply click the image and then come to the right side and replace the image from here. And the same goes for all these images. Like that, you can easily click this button to upload an image from your computer. And the same goes for this big image over here. Select it and then come to the right side and then replace it. And for the content, you can easily do that as well. Simply double click and then add your own review for the client testimonial here. And then the same goes for all these states. So you can easily double click on any text and edit it. And make sure to update the names for each of the active state of these top images. So yeah, that should be it for the testimonials tabs. And then we have the pricing tables. So you can double click it to edit it. And then we have this testimonial here. Simply double click it to change its content. Like that. And then we have these pricing tables. So you can double click them to edit the content of these pricing tables. So to make this add-on work, we have two variants here. This is the first one, this is the second one. And then if you click on it, it takes you to the second variant, which is the add-on active variant. So the pricing changes because we have two text elements here. The second one is hidden and positioned as absolute. And when you activate the add-on, or if you go to the second variant here, the pricing is visible because now it's set to relative and the previous price is now absolute with -40 position. All right, so that should make things easier for you to edit the pricing tables. You can also edit these lists very easily, just like this, by double clicking any text. And you can also change these icons by simply clicking the icon and then come to the right side and click on this name select option and then choose any icon. You can also go to the Phosphor website and find the icon that you like, or you can simply press Command K and search for Phosphor, and then the icons will appear. So you can search the correct icon that you need. For example, let's say you need an icon for link. You can type link and it should appear here. As you can see, we have different options for the link icon. So you can find the one you need and then select that in the icon element over here. All right, so that's it for the pricing tables. Let's go to the FAQs. Simply double click it and then double click it again. This is where all our FAQs are. So to edit an FAQ, select the FAQ and then come to the right side, and then you can edit the question and then the answer as well. You can also change the open and close state. So let's say I want to make the second one open as well. Currently it's set to closed. I can simply change the variant to open and it will open it up by default. So you can also edit the single FAQ variant by simply double clicking this FAQ item and then make the design changes if you need for the FAQ items. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the FAQs. So finally we have this CTA section. In the background we have these stickers images used. Let me show you. It's got this cool ticker effect, and to edit it, simply go to the left panel here and look for CTA tickers, and then on the right panel click on edit component, and this is where you will be able to edit the images for this ticker element. So this is the ticker element, and then these are images that are linked to these two tickers. So simply click on the image on the right side, update the image, and that should be it. And finally we have the footer. So to edit it, simply double click the footer. Then we have the desktop footer and footer for tablet and then footer for mobile. And you can easily make your changes here as well, however you like. And that's pretty much it for making all your changes. Now let's see how you can change the color scheme of the website. So for that you will have to come to the assets panel here, and then if you come down over here we have this color styles option. So we have a few default colors here that are from the Ripple template, and you can easily edit them and it will update on the whole website. For example, this blue accent color, it's the default color for the template, and to edit it simply click it, and then here you can change it to whatever you like. As you can see, it's changing all the elements that are using this blue accent color, and this will make things very much easier for you to change the whole color scheme of your website. Let me change it a little bit. As you can see, now it's green on the whole website like that, and in some areas we have light blue accent color used. You can easily replace it by simply copying this main color from here, pasting in here, and then the opacity will be 10%, and that will make things look better. As you can see, it's updated on the whole website and it looks pretty cool. So in some areas we have gradient used as well, so you can update it however you like later on to match your needs. Okay, and then we also have this red color that you can easily replace like this. As you can see, it's super easy. And you can also update these colors as well if needed. Okay, so that's pretty much it on editing the colors of the website. Next up we have text styles. We have a lot of body and heading styles over here that you can check out and then edit them however you like, and that will update on the whole website. For example, this heading one here, now if you update the size of it here, it will update in the hero section because that's where this heading one style is used. So if you go and click on this text element, and then on the right side we have the styles option, and as you can see heading 1 is selected. You can also change it to heading 2, 3, something like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it on changing the text styles. You can check out all these and customize them however you like. And then finally, let's see how you can add your own work items. For example, on this page we have all our work. Now let's see how you can add your own. For that, let's go to the CMS, and then you can click on new item, give it a title, something like this, category design. Let's change the client to Framer 8, service provided web design, year 2024. Let's change the URL to Ripple demo link. And then you can also add the content for description, this goal, challenge, result, and then images here as well. So I'll just quickly add them. Okay, so I have added all this content over here for demo purpose, and then here we have a separate section for client review. You can change the name of the client, upload the image of the client, company name, and then review over here. So I'll just quickly add that as well. Okay, so I have added this testimonial quickly, and now we can save this CMS item, and then you can click on this button to view this work live on the website. And as you can see, all the detail have been added automatically. For example, the title, description, the client review over here. And then we have some access spacing over here. Let me adjust that real quick. So make sure you don't have any empty line that could cause the issue. Okay. So that looks much better. The main image is over here, and then this section, and then the gallery section where you can display more images. And then the one last thing is the contact and the 404 page. You can easily edit them as well by simply double clicking on any text. And then we also have this button here. You can change the content of this button by simply clicking on it, and then on the right side panel, change text like that. And then you can also update the URL of the button on the right side panel as well. Simply click on this link and then change the link here to whatever you like. For example, google.com, something like that. And then on the contact page, we have this framer form here. You can easily edit this as well. So let's go to the layers panel here. Make sure the form is selected. And then on the right side, you can edit where this form will send the data to. So you can send it to email, webhook, or Google Sheets. So let's select email, and this will automatically connect with your Framer account email, and then you can update the name, subject, and body from here. And then you can also have a redirect upon success, and you can also update the design of these fields by simply clicking on the field and then changing the styles on the right side panel. For example, let's say I want to change the background color of this field. I can go to the fill option and then adjust it a little bit like that. And then if I want to use the same style for all these fields, I can simply go and right click, copy style, and then paste style. And this will have the same style for the other fields as well. And you can do the same for all these other fields. Alright, so yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you like this template. And to get a discount, you can check out this message that I have added right with the template. You can use this code at checkout to get a 3 months discount on your Framer Pro plan. And that plan is right over here. $30, and only if you go with the yearly plan you can get 3 months off. So that's it for this video. Do let me know what you think about this template in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day. Peace out.